Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to create home screen folder on Android. Why would you want to know how to create a home screen folder on Android? Well, maybe it is your first time using mobile and not sure how to create a home screen folder on Android. So today I am going to show you how to create a home screen folder on Android. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Creating a home screen folder on Android is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will create a home screen folder on Android. Now I have few apps in my home screen and I want to add all of them in one folder. So first of all hold your app and then place it on other app. And now you can add multiple apps on this folder by just clicking on add icon. And now you can also change your folder name. So there you go. If you were wondering how to create home screen folder on Android, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.